Hey guys, please make sure to stand till the end. We'll share some very helpful advice that if you don't follow you may end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a BMW 5 Series guys. We're talking about generation F10 F11, but it should work on other 5 Series as well guys. Now if you have a problem where you have smoke guys coming from under the hood, let's say you stop at a traffic light, stoplight, or you turn your car off, or you're idling and all of a sudden you see smoke coming from the engine. Okay, first you need to know what's happening, because your car could be on fire and that can guys cause quite a bit of trouble and you may end up in an accident because it can turn itself off all of a sudden. We'll explain what happened to us a few different times, but we'll explain the most common reason for that, how we can fix it and how to avoid that in the future. All that guys will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. So, you wonder guys what could cause that smoke? We'll demonstrate on that BMW, but practically will work on almost any car with gasoline, diesel or hybrid engine. Guys, some of the most common reasons that you will see smoke coming from under the hood will be an oil leak on a car. Doesn't mean that's what your problem is, but that BMW has 124,000 miles. And guys, all the gaskets started failing at about the same time. I want to show you right here now, this is leaking oil. Here, you see all that, okay, is oil leaks. Let me see if I can focus. You see that's oil leak here. That oil leak actually even gets on the serpentine belt guys. Okay, all that oil leaks from failing gaskets. On the back side, oil leaks, even on the alternator. So your engine will be really hot guys. When it's hot and you have oil leaks, okay, eventually it will start smoking. But the number one reason for that we see here guys at the garage, okay, will be failing valve cover gasket. This is the valve cover gasket, okay, right here. You see that's the valve cover on top of the engine. That's a plastic cover that covers your engine. This is the gasket itself. The gasket consists of many components guys. Okay, you're going to have right here, okay, that's the main gasket. You have secondary gaskets around the ignition coils, fuel injectors often, and you may have a gasket for a high pressure fuel pump and other gaskets as well. And now if you look here guys, okay, want to show you something. When it fails, you see this is the exhaust right under the valve cover. Okay, I'm trying to get a better look. And when it drips guys, all that oil, okay, let me show you. I just even power washed some of it so we can start working on it. All that oil will start dripping on the exhaust and the catalytic converters on many cars. And when that happens, okay, that oil immediately turns into smoke. So failing gasket is one of the most common reasons for smoke coming from under the hood. Another thing now guys, okay, except that gasket, okay, that is causing smoke, first, when it gets on the belt, like it did on ours, you see it slowly starts destroying your belt as well. Because the belt will be covered with oil, and when that happens guys, okay, you can see the belt will stretch, it will get soft, it will destroy itself, okay, practically in no time. And you can see that ours already started. Okay, that's almost a brand new belt and started destroying itself. So belt, okay, can be the reason. The failing belt can be caused by that as well. Another thing, okay, it could be wear guys, okay, different connectors get contaminated with oil for camshaft position sensor, variable timing, ignition coils, fuel injectors. You can see those ignition coils, the holes are full of oil because of failing gasket, and that can cause misfires. These misfires, if not treated, can destroy your engine, catalytic converter, exhaust system, oxygen sensors, and you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs guys. And another thing, if you run your engine out of oil because it's leaking oil everywhere, you will need the engine rebuild or replaced. So make sure you service your valve cover gasket and other gasket and seals on time. But the number one reason for smoke from under the hood will be a bad gasket and valve cover gasket that we see here quite often at the garage. So if you guys see smoke from under the hood on your BMW 5 Series, you want to fix it on time, as soon as you can, because otherwise you're going to end up in expensive repairs like we said. And always guys, inspect, wash everything, make sure nothing's contaminated. If you leave that oil on cables, rubber seals, anything like that can actually make them soft, they can start falling apart. Connector seals, everything needs to be cleaned, because it could lead to more damages in the future guys. But if you want to see how to replace valve cover gasket on BMW F10 F11, we'll have the video on the channel step by step that will teach you how to do that. Hopefully the video guys will be helpful. We have probably more than 500 free repair videos on that BMW F10 F11 on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the channel, subscribe guys. We're here to save you as much money as we can.